Egypt and Bella getting their tan on. They are so adorable together. Vinny's downstairs for a little bit, and I think Bella is. And Remy's sleeping, Egypt's sleeping, and then Mr. Kitty on my lap. Hello, sir. Yeah, you're so cute. Normally doesn't even come down here because he's scared of Vinny, but he must know that Vinny is downstairs. So, apparently Bella is not downstairs. Hi, Bella. There's Angel. Two cats hanging out. That is so cute. Aww. Hi, kitties. Adorable. Okay, I didn't know you were still up here. But she's cute. You are adorable. Yes. Anyways, in this clip that I'm filming, look at we're hanging out. I'll show you Vinny after. Is November 3rd. I know, it's November 3rd already. Crazy. Like, hello November, I guess, right? Today my sister made some yummy brownies. They were so good. Hello, Vinny. You are so cute. Oh my goodness, you're drooling. He just wants pets. Remy's like, hey, pet me as well. But yeah, he is so adorable. Look at him. Aww, so cute. Remy, how do you still fit under that table, silly girl? She's so cute. Actually, Egypt and Vinny goes under this table too and tries to sit there. She's so cute. Aw, I can't believe she still fits under there. Today is November 4th, and Angel's there because he's trying to get my sister's plant. Good morning. No, you can't. Morning, girls. Alright, let's go. Morning, Bella. Morning. Morning, Vin. Morning. So the dogs are outside. That's what sounds the neighbor dog barking like that. And sometimes gets all three of them riled up. Egypt's over there somewhere. Yeah. Okay, they're being behaved for now. Alright, let's see if we get the squirrel. See? Oh, you guys missed him. He was actually right here, and now the squirrel's gone. Good try, though. Usually these two will bark with the neighbor dog, which you probably heard. And you heard Remy bark, or not Remy, Egypt bark at least. He knows not to bark. The sky, everyone. You can see how windy it is. It's a rainy day this morning. Yucky weather. Well, I fed the animals. Bella went downstairs. Angel went upstairs. And now we got these three hanging out. I have water, banana, and tea. Good morning, Miss Lucky. Good morning. I just fed her, guys. It's still morning. Yeah. You guys want to see her, so there she is. And there she goes. Morning. Morning. I have to see where Bella is. Yeah, we're doing a short video as well. Yeah, it's going to be what we're doing in the morning. Right now, it's November 5th. Hi. Good morning, Bella. Good morning. Guys, I told you I would show you her. There she is. She came back upstairs. Silly girl. Listen to the wind, guys, from the front. It is crazy. I have the window open because it's nice. But man, it's windy. We're having a windy Saturday. Kinda windy in the backyard. It's crazy wind. Crazy. Hello, Remy. Cutie. Hi, Angel. I'm going to end this video so it's not too long, but I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. It's definitely a windy day today. Not sure what we're up to. If we take Remy for a walk, it'll be in another video. Hug and love your pets. Don't stop believing in yourself. Embrace what today has to offer, and every day later.